Roof Maxx's roof rejuvenation product is not the same as a DIY roof spray. Here's what you're actually comparing and why the gap matters. These are actually separate product categories. Here's what each one actually does. DIY roof coatings are consumer-grade products typically sold at hardware stores or online. They're applied by the homeowner, usually with a garden sprayer, and they tend to focus on surface sealing or waterproofing. Roof Maxx is a professional treatment, a plant-based, bio-derived formula applied by a certified dealer, designed specifically to replenish the oils that asphalt shingles lose as they age. It comes with a 5-year warranty and is typically performed as part of a more comprehensive roof restoration process that also includes a tune-up to address minor damage before each application. These products have completely different intended outcomes, so comparing them is like comparing apples to oranges. Let's look at what happens when each type of solution is applied to roofing shingles. Most DIY coatings work by sealing or coating the surface of the shingle. They don't penetrate the asphalt. Roof Maxx is formulated to penetrate the asphalt and replenish the petrochemical oils within it. That's the underlying cause of shingle brittleness, and Roof Maxx is specifically designed to address it. Surface coating and oil replenishment are fundamentally different processes. One treats the symptom, the other addresses the cause. Roof Maxx is always applied by a professional, unlike DIY products. Here's why that matters. When you apply a DIY product, you're working without a professional assessment of the roof's condition. A Roof Maxx dealer evaluates the roof before treatment, checking whether the shingles are in a restorable condition, identifying areas of concern, and determining whether restoration is the right recommendation at all. That evaluation matters. Applying a treatment to shingles that are already beyond their serviceable life doesn't extend the roof. It wastes money and can mask problems that a trained evaluator would catch. Finally, let's look at the difference between the warranty on Roof Maxx versus the guarantees most DIY products make. Simply put, DIY spray products typically carry no meaningful performance guarantee. That means there's often no accountability if the product fails. Every Roof Maxx treatment comes with a 5-year warranty that the treated shingles will maintain their flexibility. If they don't, under normal conditions, the dealer will retreat affected areas on a prorated basis. That warranty is also transferable, which means if you sell the home before it expires, the coverage goes with it. That's a documented service record with real value attached to it. The cost savings of a DIY product disappear if the treatment doesn't perform, and the roof still needs replacement on its original timeline. A coating that improves appearance without extending useful life isn't a bargain. It's just a delay. If you're researching roof spray treatments, get a Roof Maxx evaluation before you reach for a DIY product. Find out whether your roof is a candidate for professional restoration and what the actual difference in outcome looks like. Find a dealer near you at roofmaxx.com.